Hey everyone, it's Bill Fricks. I just wanted to introduce you to Doxy.me, our new telehealth solution that we'll be using in place of GoToMeeting and some of the other solutions that people have been trying for telehealth. I think you'll like this. It's simple to use. We're able to customize it for the organization. And this is just looking at your dashboard. First thing you'll want to know is how to invite a patient to your meeting. Right here, invite via. You just click it. Gives you a little drop down. There's a couple of options. I'm going to text message. Type in the number. Send it. And on my phone, you'll notice here comes a text message. And I'm going to click that. There's a link in it. I just click the link. And it starts the process. It'll ask me for my name. Ask me to enable the camera. Then a little pop-up for the camera microphone. We're going to allow. And that's it. The patient's in the waiting room waiting. On your side, you'll see your patient queue on your left. It'll tell you the name of the patient, what room they're in case you have multiple rooms that you may be allowed to enter. It tells you how long they've been waiting. To start the meeting, you simply click the name. That's it. Very easy. When you're done with the call, you just click the phone to hang up. If you want to turn off your camera, you can do that here. If you want to send the patient back to the waiting room without logging them completely off, you can put them on hold with that button. A settings button will give you the option of increasing the quality of the video if you want to. If they're having problems with video and you want to resynchronize it, you can click this button and that will kind of resync the screen. There's a couple of other options. If you want to capture your screen, you can click the photo capture. It allows you to download your screen if you want to. If you want to have a group call, there's no one else in the room right now. But if there was, down here you'd see a couple other names of people that were in your waiting room. And you could click that button, group call, and allow them to join your meeting. Say if it was another family member or another doctor that you wanted to pull in. Screen share allows you to share your screen. Click that. I've had problems with your entire screen in the application window tabs. If you go to the Chrome tab and you just want to share one of the tabs on your Chrome, that will work so the patient can see maybe an x-ray or maybe some labs that you're looking at on Athena or your EHR. But you're welcome to experiment with that. And then lastly, file transfer. It's just basically a way to drop a file into this little bucket. Just drag and drop it, and it'll send it to your patient. And you can actually request that same thing from the patient. I want to click this and let you see what it looks like from the iPhone side. Looking at my iPhone, it's put up this request, and I can drop a file in there, and it comes to the provider. I'm going to end this call. This is what the email looks like. It's a lot simpler than GoToMeeting. There's the link. In your account settings, you have account settings here. Same thing takes you here. I'm going to click that. Notifications. You can set up things like text messages when the patient hits your waiting room. So you may not be on your computer. You may be doing something else, and you'll get a text message when somebody enters your waiting room. I'll click that. I've already got my phone number in there. I'm going to save that. I like to be working on other things on my computer, and I'm not necessarily watching Doxy.me very carefully, but I can have my desktop also make a sound when a person checks in, or if they send me a message through the chat. It gives me a different sound. Just make sure you click save. Keep in mind, Doxy.me, you can use it on your desktop, which I'm showing right now, but you can also use it from your iPhone real quick. This is what it looks like when you're logging on through your iPhone or Android. Pretty much the same screen. Here you have the invite button that will drop down. Your waiting room, you'll have a little red dot show up here when you have somebody in your waiting room. But if you click this, you can see your queue, you can see your account settings, you can get back to your dashboard. There's not an app for Doxy.me. There's a mobile web page, so you can get to it through any browser, like Safari or Chrome or Firefox. Just go to phoebe.doxy.me and log on. If you want to have something that looks like an app on your phone, I know from the iPhone you can click the little icon down here, scroll down and click Add to Home Screen, and it will give you something like this on your home screen that you can click on. Pretty much works the same way as an app. Hope this makes it easier for your telehealth appointments. Good luck.